Good morning, beautiful people. How are you all doing? Hope everybody's doing great. I know it's been a while. I didn't post on my vlog. It's been like more than a month when I was in the Philippines. And guys, I'm already back here in the US. I didn't do much vlog back in the Philippines. So anyway, today's vlog is me and my family, friends. We're here in North Carolina at the Gaston Lake. We're spending our time over here for this Labor Day weekend. So guys, kung nakikita nyo, you see behind me, this is what the house we're staying here. I just finished take a shower, kaya basa pa yung buhok ko. So anyway guys, before I left the Philippines, me and my sisters, we went out eat lunch and pumunta kami ng Rojas, Capiz. Kung saan ako nag-book ng ticket. So hindi ko na yun guys, yun vlog. Sobrang kasi guys yung itong this year, grabe ang init sa Pilipinas, hindi katulad nung nakaraan taon. Napaka-init, sobra ang init talaga guys. Kaya wala akong masyado talagang napuntahan dito na sa apartment and yun doon sa kapatid ko, parang back and forth, kaya wala naman akong masyadong mai-vlog kasi puro pareho lang ang nakikita nyo. So ang ko na pagdating na lang dito sa US, mag-start na naman ako mag-filming. Okay guys, so anyway, yung dalawa kong anak, nagpunta sila ng grocery. Dumating kami dito kagabi ng around 8 o'clock. Tapos nandito na rin yung yung my daughter's father-in-law at saka yung brother-in-law and saka yung dalawang kambal. Then me, my two daughter and Amaya and Chari. So anyway guys, yun, papakita ko sa inyo ang place. So magmula doon, yung doon. Yan. Diyan kami nanggaling. Doon kami nanggaling. Kasi nga, dumating kami kagabi dito. So yan guys, ang place. Ito ang bahay. Tapos sa inyo. Bali ito guys, front. Yan, akit tayo. So this is our first day here in Gaston Lake. So yun guys, pagpasok, ayan ang dining area. Yan, it says, welcome to the lake. Ayan guys, pasensya na kayo sa kalat dahil pagdating ng kagabi, ayan, saka ingay dahil naglalaba ako ng mga towel. Gusto ng anak ko laban ng mga towel. Yan ang kalat namin sa kusina. So ayan, gagawa tayo ng tea. Ayan ang Earl Grey tea. Kumalo na guys ang tubig. Okay, so there's the dining area. Ayan yung mga bata, naglalaro dyan kanina. Ito dito guys ang banyo, then ang kwarto. Okay guys, punta tayo sa labas. Ay. Oh, you're over there. My granddaughter is reading the books. And they're all out there at the lake. Oh, you're reading your books. Okay guys, I'm gonna sit over here. Yan guys, may dalawang upuan dito na pakita ko lang dito guys sa inyo sa labas. Hindi ko na papakita ang ibang kwarto sa itaas kasi nga may ano na, may mga gamit na. So andun sila oh. Nag-fishing. Ayan. Ito pala yung room namin na tatlo. Ako, si Maya, at saka si yung anak kong babae. Ayan. Dito sa malaking kama. Tapos namin ni Maya. Dito sa sa bunk bed. Maganda guys ang yung bunk bed. Ayan, dito ako sila. Doon siya sa itaas. So, yan ang amin room. Yan ang salas, ang living room. Okay, ayan guys. We're breakfast. We're having eggs and sausage. At the lake. Tapos namin mag-breakfast. Ito, nagpunta tayo sa ibaba. Dito sa lake. Nag-iikot-ikot. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Okay guys, ito ang paakyat. Nandito ako ngayon sa ibaba. So, akyat tayo. Akyat tayo. Umulan guys kanina. Oh, mga around 3 o'clock. Kita nyo mabasa ang So ayun guys, nag-fishing sila. Oh. Pero wala pa silang nakukuha.
No, whoa.
Ito yung dalawa kong anak. Magluluto sila ng dinner. Busy sila sa kusina. So ayan, mag-prepare sila ng spaghetti. Yan ang dinner namin ngayong gabi. So after we dinner, ayan ito, nandito kami sa labas. Mag-hangout lang. Pintuan.
Eggs, there's sausage, there's bacon. Yep, there's scrambled eggs.
Yeah, and some.
Pumunta kami dito guys sa bakery place na may coffee din sila. Bumili yung anak ko ng ng donut at saka yung bagel. Good afternoon, beautiful people. Today is our second day here in Gaston Lake in North Carolina. We all just finished eating breakfast and it's already afternoon, like lunchtime. Ayun, naliligo yung mga bata. May nahuli silang yung malaking catfish guys. Yung father-in-law ni Ember nakahuli ng isda. Ayun, nililinis nila ata. Yung sa likod. Maganda yung panahon, hindi siya mainit. Hindi rin siya malamig. Parang tama-tama lang. Dalawang mag-asawa boat. Kayak, they call it kayak, right?
Yeah, kayak.
I know, but how far is he gonna go?
Ozzy, come here. Ozzy!
So, ayan na guys ang catfish na nahuli ng father-in-law ng anak ko. pinfilet niya. Tapos, yung timpla rin niya, season na yan. Tapos, nag-grill din siya ng hotdog, hamburger, at saka chicken for dinner for tonight. Then, yan, ng mga bata, ready na sila magluto ng marshmallow nila. Ayan, the next day, pang third day namin, ayan, inom kami ni Maya ng coffee. Nagluto ako ng bacon, sausage, and eggs for breakfast. So, ayan, pahinga muna kami sandali, tapos ready na mag jet ski.
Oh, they're both back at the same
At saka mag-kayak. So, excited na excited sila. Pero ako guys, natatakot ako. Kaya subukan ko pa rin. Dahil hindi pa ko pa naranasan sumakay ng jet ski.
Daddy, guess who's so fast?
No, mommy.
I got wet. I'm swimming. Oh, when I was going on the kayak, I saw a fish.
You saw the fish?
Yeah, I scared it. I hit it. I hit it.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Already it's already afternoon. This is our third day here in Gaston Lake. And Amaya, where's she at? She just been there you go, where she where she is. She just finished swimming. Okay, we've been skiing and what do you call that? Kayak. Good morning, beautiful people. So this is our last day here in Gaston Lake. So ayan, last night, nag-brown out. At saka umuulan. Ayan guys, nakadito ako sa labas. Ayan ang lake. Maganda dito guys. Of course, first time ko nakarating dito sa area na ito. I mean, palagi kami pumupunta dito sa North Carolina, pero first time ko dito sa. So, ayan guys, aalis na kami. Ready na check out. We're back guys. Natapos din ang mini vacation namin. Sana nag-enjoy kayo dito sa simple kong video for this week. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Wonderful night. God bless us all and see you in my next vlog. Bye! Ingat kayo dyan.